Our topic for today is Electrical Test Study Guide Part 3, Electrical Units and Measurement. Question number 1. What is the unit of conductance? A. Electron volt. B. Newton per coulomb. C. Siemens. D. None of the above. Answer C. Siemens. What is the unit of admittance? A. Electron volt. B. Resistance. C. Siemens or synonyms unit mho. D. None of the above. Answer C. Siemens. Synonyms unit mho. What is the unit of length? A. Micro. B. Mass. C. Meter. D. None of the above. Answer meter. What is the unit of time? A. Hour. B. Minute. D. Second. Answer second. What is the unit of resistivity? A. Current. B. Conductivity. C. Farad. D. Ohmmeter. Answer ohmmeter. What is the unit of conductance? A. Energy. B. Flux. C. Insulator. D. Siemens. Answer Siemens. What is the unit of magnetic field? A. Tesla. B. Electric field. C. Resistive. D. Charge. Answer Tesla. What is the unit of energy? A. Joule. B. Impedance. C. Newton. D. Tesla. Answer A. Joule. What is the unit of charge? A. Coulomb. B. Tesla. C. Induction. D. Capacitance. Answer Coulomb. What is the unit of pressure? A. Tesla. B. Pascal. C. Weber. D. None of the above. Answer B. Pascal. What is the unit of heat? A. Calorie. B. Weber. C. Kelvin. D. Joule. Answer D. Joule. What is the unit used the speed of motor or generator? A. Radian per minute. B. Degrees per rotation. C. Revolution per minute. D. None of the above. Answer revolution per minute. How many horsepower in 1000 watts? A. 0.746 horsepower. B. 1 horsepower. C. 1.34 horsepower. D. 1.5 horsepower. Answer 1.34 horsepower. And here's the solution. We know that 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt and 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. 1000 watt equals 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. We are going to cancel the watts. we are going to cancel the watts. Then 1000 divided by 746 is equal 1.34 horsepower. Next, 1 kilowatt is how many watts? Answer D, 1000 watts. 1 horsepower is how many watts? Answer 746 watts. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. And also, check my other video like interview question and answer, hydraulic pneumatic, FANUC robotics, motor controls, and many more. Which of the following is the unit of frequency? A, reactance, B, capacitance, C, Weber, D, Hertz. Answer D, Hertz. Which of the following is the unit of reactive power? A, ampere, B, volt ampere reactive, C, volt, D, none of the above. Answer B, volt ampere reactive. Which of the following is the unit of force? A, kilogram, B, joule, C, acceleration, D, Newton. Answer D, Newton. What is the unit of capacitance? A, watts, B, ampere hour, C, farad, D, volts. Answer C, farad. What is the unit of magnetic flux? A, farad, B, Henry, C, Weber, D, joules. Answer C, Weber. What is the unit of inductor? A, farad, B, Henry, C, ohms, D, joules. Answer Henry. What is the unit of potential difference? A, watts, B, ampere hour, C, ohms, D, volts. Answer D, volts. What is the unit of resistance? A, watts, B, ampere, C, ohms, D, volts. Answer C, ohms. What is the unit of current? A, watts, B, ampere, C, ohms, D, volts. Answer B, ampere. What is the unit of torque? A, force, B, Newton meter, C, voltage, D, all of the above. Answer B, Newton meter. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.